Have you ever felt called to lead, to share your wisdom, your story, your gifts, but you're not sure how to create an experience that truly transforms people? You're not alone. Truth is, most workshops fall short because they only teach information instead of creating the conditions for lasting transformation. I'm Jacob Nordby, and that's why I created this Become a Transformational Workshop Leader program. It's an 8-week live online training designed to help you develop workshops that change lives and grow your impact as a therapist, coach, healer, or other facilitator. You'll learn how to craft the conditions for transformation, how to design flow and structure that truly engage participants, and how to lead with confidence, clarity, and presence. By the end of these 8 weeks, you'll have a complete, ready-to-deliver workshop, plus all the tools, templates, and the live feedback you need to make it real. And if you choose a higher tier, you'll also get one-on-one coaching with me and support to launch your first or redesigned and elevated offering. I want to help you eliminate the things that have held you back for good. These blocks might include imposter syndrome, reluctance or lack of knowledge about marketing, or feeling unclear about what to focus on in your programs. Whatever it is, I want to guide you through the process of getting clear, knowing the worth of what you have to offer, and feeling confident as you step forward to lead. If you're ready to turn your wisdom into experiences that create lasting change in those you serve, I'd love to come alongside and help you make that happen. So join us for Become a Transformational Workshop Leader, and let's build something life-changing together.